everyone, I'm so excited to be back. Long time no talk to you guys, but I am back with such an exciting video. I'm so excited to make this video. I feel like now is the perfect time and I'm just ready to just share my journey and share my success with you. And I also want to share how I learned everything, because this journey has been really life-changing for me. So the title is not dramatic at all. I'm going to be telling you guys how Forex trading changed my life. And yeah, we're just going to get into it. So some of you may know, if you follow me on Instagram, then you know that I do Forex trading. And I have been kind of keeping it to myself because I've been learning. I've been practicing every day. I've kind of become obsessed ever since I got into it in October of last year. So I knew about Forex trading because I was in the stock market, but the stock market kind of moved a little bit slowly for me, to be honest. I kind of am an instant gratification kind of person, so it moved a little slowly for me. And so I wanted other ways to grow my money and invest my money. And I looked into Forex trading probably like spring of 2020, like heavily looked into it, and I just devoured the internet searching for valuable content, which was surprisingly very hard to find. Valuable content on how to actually really make money with Forex trading and how to actually do it from a complete beginner's perspective, start to finish, step by step. And it was very hard finding free valuable information, to be honest. And so after months and months and months of trying to teach myself and learn as much as I could just through finding content, I actually decided to purchase a course. So I purchased a course, and I purchased it from a Black woman because I wanted to support her. I hadn't heard of her before, but I decided to just kind of like go on a whim and do it. I purchased her course in October of last year, and honestly, I really don't like to say this, but it wasn't the best. It wasn't the best course. However, the course did what I needed it to do. It got me started. It taught me how to set things up. It taught me what trading platform to use. It taught me what broker to use. It taught me how to deposit and withdraw money. It taught me some of the basics that a lot of the other content I was finding on the internet was just kind of glazing over and skipping over because they just assumed everyone knew it. So it taught me some of the basics that I really was actually having a hard time finding. But some of the more advanced techniques and things that she was teaching, they were a good start, but I pride myself on being a fast learner. And I quickly kind of surpassed that. And it wasn't detailed enough for me to be able to take what I had learned from that course and take it to the next level. But it did get me started with the basics. So once I got that under my belt, and I started having kind of a blueprint now. Now I had a blueprint on, okay, this is how I want to trade, this is how I want to do it, this is what I want to do. And then I was able to build on top of that. So even after the course, I took other courses. I decided to, continue my self-teaching, finding new content. But this time I had a blueprint to work off of, so it was easier the second time around trying to self-teach myself. So now that I was able to self-teach myself while also actually doing it, because now I was set up in the market and I was able to actually trade along with all the things that I was learning, it was very helpful in that way. So once I got into the market in late October, early November of last year, once I got into the market, honestly, I was obsessed. I was obsessed. Let me tell you, I was losing so much money. I blew my account so many times, you guys. I blew my account so many times. I blew my account probably 8 or 9 times over my trading journey, to be honest. The highest amount that I made before I blew my account was $7,000. I had made $7,000 at one point and blew it. And I just watched it just get liquidated right in front of my eyes. It was intense. However, I'm so obsessed with this market and I love it so much. None of that deterred me away at all. Which is kind of crazy to think about, but I was so determined because every blown account, every mistake I made, every over leveraging issue I did, everything that I did became a learning lesson for me. And so I never saw it as a loss. I just really saw it as a learning lesson, and I made sure to not make the same mistakes twice. I was so determined with getting this together and really learning this and becoming consistently profitable, because I had built accounts. Like, I had flipped $1,000 to $7,000. I had flipped $50 to $800. I had flipped accounts so many times, so I knew it could be done. That's all I needed to know, is that it could be done. And so once I kept seeing and kept experiencing how I could just keep flipping money, there was no taking me away from this market. All the losses that I took were just looked at as lessons. You know, I'm just gonna consider it a lesson and move on, move forward. I would just put more money in. I was determined to get it. And I'm very happy today to say that I have gotten it. I have gotten it, and it took a year. You know, it took a year of consistent practice and like a year and a half of learning to actually get it. And I have come to a point in my trading journey where I have learned so many things, and I've practiced so many things, so many different strategies, so many different techniques, so many different technical analysis, so many different things to help you become successful in the market, that I'm now able to decide and actually really pinpoint what works and what doesn't in the easiest way possible. And knowing that I've gotten it so narrowed in now where I can actually regurgitate this information in a digestible way, that is what inspired me to create a Forex course. So I created a Forex course. I have been working on it. That's why I've been absent. I've been working on it. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know how long I've been working on it. But it's been a passion project of mine, honestly, because I'm so excited to be able to teach this. You know, like, I got it, I understand it, I'm making money, I want to share. I really want to share all this information. So I put together a comprehensive course. I mean, comprehensive. So whether you have never heard of Forex before, or maybe you've tried the stock market, so you know a little bit of the basics, but you've never dove into the foreign exchange market, or whether you've actually tried Forex before and it didn't work out for you, you've quit, you've given up, or maybe you joined one of those horrible MLM things and it turns you off from it completely, but you saw that people were making money, so you know it's possible, you just didn't like the way that they went about it. This course is going to get you together, okay? I'm so excited to bring this to you guys because it can change your financial life forever, okay? Also in the course, I take you on my Bitcoin trading journey. I call it the Bitcoin Trading Diary, where I was able to flip $1,400 to $10,000 in 3 weeks, okay? Which isn't, I hate to say this, but it's actually not that impressive when you get into the Forex market. It's like, okay, as you should, right? But it's impressive to me because this is an amount of money that I'm not used to making. And I know that that's the case for a lot of people. And I'm so excited to be able to bring the course to you guys to change not only the way you think about money, but how you feel about money. Making money does not have to be hard. It doesn't have to be difficult. You shouldn't have to work for your money. Your money should work for you. And that's why I love investing in general, but that's why I love Forex, because I'm not going to sit here and lie to you and tell you that it's 100% passive and that you can just throw your money in the market and leave it alone. This isn't an index fund, okay? It takes a little bit of active work, but an hour a day to make thousands of dollars really isn't that big of a deal, right? When you think about it time-wise. However, the most time that you're going to invest in this market is learning it. Once you've learned it, it can become way more on the passive side than the active side. I mean, I only spend maybe an hour a day on the charts, right? And I'm making a lot of money. So the most time that you're going to invest in Forex trading is learning it. But once you learn this skill, just like with any skill, once you learn this skill, all you have to do is apply it and practice it. That's it. And it's only a matter of time before you get it. And I am walking proof of that. So I'm so excited to bring this to you guys. My course dropped today, November 11th at 11:11 a.m. and currently right now it is for $111. Y'all know I love my synchronicity, and it's just time. It's time to bring this to you guys. I've worked so hard on it. It is not only just me sitting and talking to you guys. That's barely any of the course. It's slideshow presentations, a ton of slideshow presentations where I talk through and walk through it. We do chart analysis, show you guys how to trade on the computer and on your phone. And I also do some sit down videos where I'm talking more about like the psychology or giving advice on how to do things, but everything is very showing you how to do it so that you can follow along and do it also. And all the content is downloadable, and it's just, I have been working so hard on it. It's such a passion project of mine. Honestly, it's become a passion project, and I'm just really happy to be able to bring this knowledge to you guys in a digestible way. I really feel like it's very digestible, and it's perfect for beginners that don't really know where to begin, because it's going to get you started from A through Z. And it's not only a Forex course, it is a community. So Forex Mystery School is going to be a community. So we're going to do weekly Zoom calls every Sunday when we do Sunday night analysis to get ready for the week ahead in the market. So we're going to do the weekly Zoom calls, and we're going to have a Discord group where we're going to be talking all things trade. So everyone's going to be trading with each other, sharing charts, sharing trades that they're taking. I'm going to be sharing my personal trades that I take, so you guys can trade along with me and take the same trades that I take. Now, of course, not financial advice. It's totally up to you if you want to do it, but I will be sharing my trades in the Discord group, and everyone will just be there to help each other make money, because one thing about this market is there's no competition. We can all make money. The Forex market is the largest financial market in the world. As long as money is around, Forex will be around, and we already know money makes the world go round. So get in it and start learning this skill that can really change your life. Like I said, there's no reason why you should be working hard for money. I am a big believer in that. I know I've shared some side hustle stuff on this channel and some other entrepreneur things on this channel, but Forex has been heavily on my radar to really get, because I really feel like it is the key to financial freedom. I truly feel that, and I'm so happy to share it with you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out the link down below for the Forex Mystery School course. It is hosted by Teachable. So if you are familiar with Teachable, it's pretty much that kind of curriculum format. And yeah, I hope to see you guys over there. I hope to see you guys in the Discord group. Leave down some comments down below. I will be answering a lot of questions under this video, because I know people have a lot of questions about Forex, and I definitely want to answer these questions. So leave some comments down below. Tell me, what are your goals for 2022? My personal goal for 2022 is to get my first Airbnb property. I really want to get started with my Airbnb journey, and I know Forex will take me there. So let me know what your 2022 goals are down in the comments below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.